Hello all, welcome to chapter 18 from the book of Leviticus. In the beginning of this chapter, we see God speaks to Moses and asks Moses to inform the Israelites that they should not live the way the Egyptians lived. In Egypt, we see there was pagan worship. There was gross injustice in the land of Egypt. Slaves were not treated with any kindness, and there was inhuman atrocities against slaves. This is what God is talking about when He informs the Israelites that they should not live the way the Egyptians lived. We then see God informs the Israelites as to when the Israelites reach the promised land, they should not live the way the Canaanites lived, but walk in the ordinance of God. As we know, the Israelites are now journeying towards this promised land. God has rescued the Israelites from Egypt and has promised them the land of Canaan. This promised land was first promised to Abraham. God had informed Abraham in Genesis chapter 15 that he will be giving the land of Canaan to Israel, that is, the descendants of Abraham. In verse 16 of the same chapter, God says that the sins of the people had not yet reached its full measure. In other words, God was being patient with the current dwellers of Canaan for more than 400 years. In this chapter, God gives details of all the immoral activities that was being followed in Canaan. In this chapter, we see God informs that no physical relationship had to be established between close relatives. That is, no sexual relationship between father and his children or the mother and her children. No sexual activities between grandparents and their grandchildren. We see different types of sexual relationship that was being prohibited are listed in this chapter. Sexual relationship between man and woman and another woman was prohibited. No bestiality, that is physical relationship between mankind and animals. We also see God prohibits child sacrifice in this chapter. The Canaanites were sacrificing their children to pagan gods like Molech. Towards the end of this chapter, we see God informs that all of the above immoral activities were being done by the Canaanites, and God called it wickedness and warns the Israelites from being part of such activities. God informs He will destroy the Canaanites because of these reasons. In the coming books, we will find that Israel, under the leadership of Joshua, will bring utter destruction on Canaan. Such is the wrath of God that even the animals are not spared. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye-bye.